Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. It's October 10th, 2024, and we got a lot going on today in the stock market. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just dipping your toes in, stay tuned for all the key trends, forecasts, and opportunities for the day. So, let's kick things off with what happened overnight. The Dow Jones futures are pointing to a slightly lower open. Investors are cautious today after a couple of red-hot economic data reports came out this week, suggesting the Fed might not be done hiking interest rates. The big story today: all eyes are on the Federal Reserve minutes being released later this afternoon. Traders will be looking for any clues on future rate hikes. If there's even a hint that the Fed's getting more aggressive with tightening, we could see some turbulence later in the day. So if you're holding anything rate-sensitive, think utilities, real estate, be cautious. The S&P 500 has been teetering between gains and losses all week, and today we're expecting another choppy session. Tech stocks are still leading the pack, with Apple and Microsoft bouncing back after last week's sell-off. If you're following big tech, Apple's up nearly 1% in pre-market trading, and analysts are pretty optimistic about their Q3 earnings later this month. Now, speaking of earnings, PepsiCo just crushed their Q3 earnings expectations this morning, driven by strong demand for its snacks and drinks. Shares are up 2% in pre-market trading. If you've been watching consumer stocks, this could be a strong performer today. Another sector to watch is energy. Crude oil prices have dipped slightly overnight, but with winter approaching and geopolitical risks still hanging over the market, I wouldn't count out a rebound later in the session. Energy stocks like Chevron and Exxon are holding steady for now, but volatility could pick up later depending on any breaking news out of the Middle East. Looking forward, one area that's been flying under the radar is healthcare. Moderna and Pfizer are both reporting later this week, and given the renewed focus on respiratory illness heading into flu season, we might see some action there. Keep an eye on those stocks, as they could surprise us with a breakout. And lastly, let's not forget about the NASDAQ. It's been a roller coaster lately, but there are some solid opportunities in tech and biotech. For those of you looking to take on a little risk, check out some of the smaller biotech companies announcing trial results today. So, to sum it all up, we're expecting a volatile day in the markets. Interest rate fears, earnings reports, and geopolitical risks are all swirling around. Make sure to keep an eye on the Federal Reserve minutes this afternoon. How the market reacts to that will likely set the tone for the rest of the week. That's all for now. Thanks for tuning in to today's stock market update. If you found this helpful, be sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for daily updates on market trends, forecasts, and everything you need to know to stay ahead of the curve. Good luck out there, and I'll catch you in the next one.